Morning guys, I'd just like to welcome you to Zandvlei this morning. This is the braai places on the one side of the vlei. As you can see, we've had a lot of people down. There's a lot of mess, a lot of plastics all over the place. As we go back out and out, you can just see the plastics is everywhere, all over the grasses and everywhere. So as you can see, we've got these braai places over here which have been built. One of the really stupid things I don't understand is that they provide one rubbish bin for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, so 20 braai places. One rubbish bin for 20 braai places. So this will give you a scope of the problem. We have all this rubbish just at one braai lapa. Now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 braai lapas. We have one little bin over there, and then one poorly designed metal bin over there. Now there's no ways that all these amount of lapa and all the hundreds of people here yesterday can be able to contain all the rubbish in a few of these bins. So one lapa for braais, no bin. Another lapa for braaiing, and as you can see, no bin. And we have another lapa, no bin. One bin over here which clearly cannot contain all the rubbish that was designed for it. Another lapa, no bin. So what we want to say is put a big bin by each lapa where people are braaiing, because they're just going to throw the rubbish. They're not going to go to the sides, to the road, where you can see lots of rubbish bins away from the braai places. Now that doesn't make sense. Why would you put all the rubbish bins away from the braai? So, I mean, you can see people are being camping and having picnics over in these areas. No bins at all. So, you know, you've got tons and tons of rubbish, and what's happening now is all this rubbish is actually now blowing into Zandvlei. Now, Zandvlei already has a massive pollution problem. I mean, you can see everywhere as we're going, plastic wine boxes, paper plates, polystyrene, and as you can see there by the fence, it's all starting to collect. So, one thing I don't understand is that this problem that we have here is a yearly problem. It's a problem at all our public picnic sites around South Africa. As you can see, the northerlies now blowing, so all the plastic and everything is now blowing onto the fences. What will actually happen is this stuff actually eventually goes into the vlei, breaks down, and yeah, it just goes straight into the vlei. You can see this amount of rubbish that's been collected. Now this is from the weekend. The holiday season hasn't even started yet, and this is what we're facing. Now this is a yearly problem, so why the hell are we still sitting here with the same problem? Is there something wrong with our leadership? Is there something wrong with us? But I find this unacceptable.